How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out an absolutely gorgeous 67 Pontiac GTO Convertible, done in a champagne signal gold. Gorgeous car. This car had complete restoration a few years back. Come out of a personal collection. Paintwork and everything on this car is just gorgeous. Show quality. See, the bumpers have all been re-chromed. All the headlight bezels, the grills are in excellent condition. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Convertible top's in excellent shape. You have to kind of bear with us. The sun kind of went away on us. It's got 15-inch rally ones. Nice little upgrade. You can get a big enough tire, makes them look good. It's all BF Goodrich Redline radials. The rear bumpers all been re-chromed. All the trim and tail lights, all that in excellent shape. The rear window and the top is very nice. It's got the correct bell tips on the exhaust. It's got the optional red wheel liners. They can be removed if you don't like them. It's got the dual mirrors. It has a 67 YZ motor, which is the 360 horse. Got the factory 4-barrel. Got power steering, power brakes. Got nicely detailed. It's got the ram air headers on it, cast iron headers, heavy duty cooling system. Just a very nice car. See, all the jams are really nice in the car. The interior is gorgeous, just gorgeous interior. It's got the hood mounted hood tack. It's got the deluxe wood wheel. It's got the deluxe front and rear seat belts. All the lighting works like it should. It's got the factory vacuum gauge on the console. Just a very clean car. Nice cruiser. The only reason the car was sold is the previous owner had some health issues. The factory jack spare. It's got a power antenna. It's got a folder. It's got the PHS documents. See, it's even got trunk light that works. Just a very nice car, guys. These convertible GTOs are hard to come by. See, all the interior in the car is in excellent shape. It's got the factory AM FM in it. Thing fires right up. Got power top, works like it should. Also has the gold color matched top boot for the parade boot. car works. Even the factory clock in the dash works. Factory tack all works. I have to apologize, you don't have much sun, but backup lights and everything work like they should. It's just a super nice car, guys. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.